Take a look at this new 2012 Chevrolet Colorado. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 18 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 25 on the highway. This Colorado boasts a 2.9-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the emissions, federal requirements, differential, automatic locking rear axle, 3.73 ratio, bodyguard package, license plate bracket, front and the trailering equipment. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.